Hey everybody, it's Paul Yokobitis from Cary Estate Planning. Just want to jump in here and tell you about some changes we've got for the new year in 2020. Usually at the turn of the year, some new laws going into effect on January 1st, and this year is no different. One is a pretty major change called the Secure Act, and that's something that I'll go into some more depth in subsequent videos. But the one I wanted to talk about today is the adjustment to the unified lifetime estate and gift exemptions at the federal level. So North Carolina does not have estate tax at the state level. So generally when we're looking at, inheritance tax, death tax, estate tax, whatever you want to call it, we're looking at the federal levels and more specifically the exemptions, right? So last year for 2019, the exemption was 11.4 million. And that means that every dollar that you pass during your lifetime or through inheritance to your loved ones up to $11.4 million passes tax-free. Every dollar above that would pass generally at about 40% tax. Those levels, the 11.4, are individual levels, and they generally stack for married couples. So last year's exemption together combined was 22.8 million. The exemption over the last decade has gone up a little bit every year because of inflation and cost of living adjustments and those sort of things. So this year's new rates are 11.58. So $180,000 more can go tax-free, but again, it stacks. So 11.58 per person means it's just over 23 million per couple. I think it's 16 million per couple can pass tax-free. So that's something that is now in effect as of yesterday, January 1. So you're probably thinking, well, there's no way in heck that I will ever have that much money. And most people, would say that. It's pretty much a non-issue for most families. So that's sort of like a 0.001% issue. The issue right now, though, is that these tax exemptions are really only through 2025. So they're generally at an elevated rate because of the tax reform that we had at the beginning of 2018. But at the end of 2025, all of the personal changes for tax reform are going to be, they're going to what's called sunset, means they go away. So they're basically going to expire and we go back to the pre-reform rates. So people who, generally have money in excess of the old rates, but below the current rates are generally going to have the planning issues. So after 2025, we're probably going to be around 6 million, probably a little over 6 million per person. So still a lot of money and still probably not an issue for most people, but something to consider if you're a little bit higher net worth. So check out these videos day to day. We're going to be recording one video every day in 2020. And the next few videos that come out are going to be about the Secure Act. Hope you all have a great day.